you'll see some moisture coming
very first time in the Caribbean.
You'll see some moisture coming out of the air extractors. That's the dry ice. That's beautiful. That's the liquid that you see coming up out of the radiators. Some form of condensation.
Put your cameras on high shutter speed.
Remember to protect the hearing of the little children with you. The sound of the car can actually damage the children's eardrums and your own as well. So be prepared when you see the car approaching.
Watch you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Run, run, run.
Real sport, that's it up.
Watch it out. You know I told you. You know I already told you. Yes. Yes. I remember when I used to drive like that. I'm away from brother. Spinning on the road. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, on this next run,
come down the run now, come down the run. Name it up, name it up, name it up, name it up.
Just remind you of the after party that will take place starting at 8 o'clock at the quad. You're all invited. The results of the Formula Una competition will be announced at 12 midnight in the quad for the afterburner. The Red Bull Formula One Urban Run and Auto Fair after party. That's at 8 p.m. at the quad. I did. Don't speak on that I'm speaking. That's the afterburner, the after party for the Red Bull Formula One Urban Run and Auto Fair at the quad. Starts at 8 p.m. The Formula Una goes and students to go to Monaco will be announced at 12 midnight. Everyone is invited. Come on, give it up, give it up, give it up. Anybody managed to capture the car in full speed on your cellular phone, I have a prize for you. Nobody that gets the car. Nobody that gets the car. By the time you press the button, the car gone. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, when the car comes, when the car races in this direction, a South pole will be in the race. There are people who took the photograph of the car when it was parked, ready for the spin, coming on stage. That no work. When it's in motion.
Jesus, huh? That's a whole different level of load. That's a whole different level of love.
I'm blind, you got no.
Acceleration run.
And you can't, you have to.
Is that cut?
You don't know.
Amen, and so let it be. Red Bull gives you wings. This has been the Red Bull Formula 1 Urban Run and Autosphere. Remember, the Afterburner, that is the Afterburner 1. It starts at 8. All of you are invited. Please remember, drive safely on your way home. We thank you for coming to today's event. We'd like to thank the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Ministry of Transport, the Ministry of Tourism, our business partners, Stewart's Auto Sales and their BMW and Suzuki line of vehicles, the Inter Transport Group with Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Volkswagen and Mercedes.